Welcome back to a new YouTube video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a refrigerator. Even you could buy some, you could make your own and then put stuff in it. Like this. You just need some bricks and boards and a door. It's pretty simple. You just have to put the bricks like this. Color it white. For some reason I put that color. I don't know why. I meant white. And then you kind of just stack them up like this. Like that. And you just keep going and going, and then I'll show you how to do the rest. Like this. I was gonna do it in the kitchen, but I didn't have any more space. And yeah. And then I'm gonna do a house tour in the next video, I think. And then I'm gonna make it a little lower like that. And add one more brick. Like this. Paint it or color it that color. Then you will need a door, which I'm gonna put on the side because I'm not using it anymore. You just want to put it over there, but I'm gonna have to use it. Okay, so you want to go like this. It has to be as tall as a door. As a door, I meant this. Okay, it's pretty tall, so I'm gonna get it. I think it was called like this wall. You don't need it for this. You're obviously gonna have to delete it anyways. Let me click on the wall. Like that. And then I might get another bat wall. So it could be a little bit higher. Like that. And then you just need a barrier like this. Then all you want to do is put in the wall like this. Flip it around a bit. Put it like that. And then get a brick. Maybe it's kind of hard to explain, but I'm trying. And then you just want to put it like this. You just color white. And then you just keep going like that. I put brick. I don't even know if that's a word. I don't think it is. Then you just keep going like that until you get the last one. Then you want to get another one. And then you just go like this. And then you just want to delete the barrier. And then these catwalks, you don't need them anymore. And then you just want to get a barrier. For some reason I deleted, but I actually needed it. Which I don't know why I actually deleted it, but that's okay. You just put it right here, right on the... You want to skip the black edge of the door. And you just want to use the outside of the brown part of the door because of the way you're going to do the fridge. And then you just add more bricks like this. And then you just color it the color you want it. It could be any type of white color. I'm just using this white color because of the walls. And I don't want to make it the same color because it's going to blend in and not like that. So you just keep going like that. And then you have like 2 or 3 more, I think. And then you just keep going until you get to the very top. And I'm actually I'm going to leave the fridge right here. And you just want to put this one a little more higher. About there, I think. And then you just want to do this. I'm going to put this one a little lower. And then you want to get another brick, which you wanted about 5 bricks, I think. And then you just want to put this one like about right there. And then color the color you want it to be. And then there you go. You have your own bridge. But then I'm like, what are you doing here? Well, you want to get some boards. Put boards. I don't even know if that's a word. But that's okay. Then you just go like this. Paint it white or color it white, however you want to say it. And then you just buy more. And then you just put it like that. And then make sure it's the same color, or else you'll mess up. And then you just keep going like that. And then I'll show you the rest also. And then just go like this. And you don't need like boards. You could type in board, but you actually need a chopping board. And then make sure you look at the sides just in case you messed up or something. And then, yeah, you can open the door if you want to, so you can see it better. And then you just want to scoot it a bit over there, move it. And then I'm gonna move mine a little bit over here and then up. And then close the door and see how it looks like. Okay, that's good. And then the wall is like white, but that's okay. I still need to put boards like this. I spent a lot of money on this house, decorating it. So yeah. And you just want to put it in the bottom right there. Like that. And you just kind of want to keep stacking them up until it gets to the very top. And then you want to put it whatever color you want it to be. Just go back a bit so like you could see it higher or better. And you just want to keep doing that. Then you just move a little bit over here if you want, or you could just move your screen like this. I keep checking over here just in case if I messed up or something. I'm almost there actually. So I'm just gonna get some more chopping boards. Put them a little bit over there. Color them. I hope nobody really teleports to me. Nobody's really talking in the chat. I mean, there's a lot of people in here in my server than make sure it looks like this, because if it doesn't, then it might not be put right. Now I can't. Okay. I was gonna say I can't tap on it and it's not letting me color it. But it is. Put it a little lower. And more is right. I'm gonna put this one lower also and push it to the side. I'm doing really good here. I actually just thought of this and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do some like creative stuff. And that's why I made a laundry room, as you have seen in my other video. I hope you watched it. In case you want to know how to make it. Okay, there. Now it looks better. And yeah, that's what it's supposed to look like. And I'm just gonna open this door. Oh yeah, and I also added, I don't know if I told you or not, but I added some stuff right here. I added a shelf, and these are made out of books. All I did was just like buy some books, stack them up, and color them, and then they look like towels. And then these are also the same, but then I just turned them around like that to make it look like books. I mean, not books, like towels, and they kind of do like they're folded. They look like they're kind of folded. I might actually paint it a different color like that. Because I'm going like a, I don't know, it was supposed to be like a beachy house or something like that. My house. But then I don't know what happened. And then you could see the round things in the door. But that's okay. Because from the outside you don't really see it. And then if someone opens it, which you shouldn't open it like that. You just want to go over here on the side and then just open it like that. But that's okay. And then you want to get yourself a barrier. I'm spelling a lot of things really wrong for some reason. Then you just want to go like this. You could like go far away or something to look at it, but like it's not really showing me. I need to put my monkey somewhere. I need to get a bed and just make it stay there. I don't know. It's just following me and bothering me, and I know I could put it in my pocket. I also need sleep, so I'm just gonna leave it right there for now. And then you just want to put more doors. And then I will show you how to make some like, it's like baked food, I guess. So you just want to buy some more chopping boards. I know it's the same color now, but that's okay. I'm gonna put it a little more like that. And then we get some more boards. And then if I like it, I'm gonna move it around. I just need one more in the middle, which is good. So I'm about to finish this part. Okay, so I just need to put this a little more over there, move it a little more over there. And then I just moved the whole brick. I just messed up. That's bad. Just gonna move this a little more over there. Push this down. Go like this. And I can fix the brick later. So I can show you the results at the end. Okay, so that's how it looks like so far. I'm gonna actually fix this brick right now. I think it goes like that. Yeah. Okay, so that's what it looks like so far. And then I just need one more. I think I'm actually going to change it a little more higher because it's just like kind of taking space up. So I'm just gonna put them right here, stack them up a little bit for a while, and then put this right here, put there, and then put these on the wall for now, and then fix the barrier. About right here would be good. I don't really know where my barrier is going. I think it's going like in the hallway or something like that. Yeah. Just gonna get these chopping boards again. And move them a little bit over here. And then that's how it should look like. I need to move this a little bit to the back. And there. Now I'm gonna look at it again. Okay, it looks much better now. And I'm gonna do one more. Oh, this one's gonna be really hard actually, because it's at the very top. But I think it will look good in the end anyway. So I need to get some more boards. Sorry, my phone had for some reason I had to plug it in. So that's what I did. Okay, that looks good so far. I'm gonna push it a little more over there. rid of my other 2 boards in space. You don't have to add one at the very top, but you can if you want to. But I'm just adding one in the top. I'm gonna actually delete them in the end. I might not. Okay, that's better. Now I just need to get the other one, the very last one. Before I start decorating, I keep clicking on the barrier. I don't need to. Okay. Just wanna color it, paint it, whatever you want to call it. Change the color of it. Okay, now I just need to fix it a little bit more. About that size. Then you just delete this, and then this is how it should look like. I know they look a little like weird, but I'm gonna show you how you can make some fake food, I guess. And I have all the items now. I didn't want to make the video a lot longer, but this is all the items you might need. You can add more. I really don't know why I grabbed a tree. Got a tree. Clothes, because you can actually make it look like some sort of vegetable, I guess. I don't know. At first I was like, maybe it could look like a pear or something. But then I was like, I don't think so. Okay, this one's like, I need to put it more over there, I guess. No, I messed up. I'll fix that later. Okay, so then I need to move this actually. Move it a bit over here. Right there. Ah. And put it like right there. I think that was the brick that I needed. Right? Okay, yeah. I didn't want to mess up anything anymore. Okay, much better. It kind of looks like some weird vegetable. I don't know what it really looks like. I don't really know. I got some mustard and ketchup, but I guess you can get some. And it was good that I made it this size. It wasn't all like perfect, I guess, or right. I'm trying to move these, but it's not letting me. Okay. I need to go back. Okay, like about there. And then there, and then I guess you could get these like up there. For some reason I can't put it up there. That's okay. There. Okay, that's much better. I probably wonder why I have a book right here. Well, I might try to make it look like cheese. I don't know. It kind of does look like cheese. You make it an apple. Actually, I can probably get a bowl. And the apple up here. You might want to add some other stuff. And this is what it looks like. This is the fridge I made. It's actually really creative. Like, you could do this if you want to. You don't have to. But this is how I'm showing you how to make it. And this is like a 20-minute long video. Oh, oops. But I hope you liked the video. And make sure to give it a like if you liked it. Subscribe, turn on post notifications on so you get notified every time I make a new video. Until next time, bye.